interesting technology that I think I can learn from here and also apply to my design in Thailand as well. In the future, I am designing a kindergarten and elementary school, and because it's a school, right? So health is really important, and I think LG product can really help me on that project.